Good. Roll it.
Huh?
You gotta roll it. My foot stuck. Really bad.
Can I pull you out from under?
It's stuck. You gotta roll it slow.
I can't, dude. It's fucking in there. Can I pull you out from under?
No, my foot is like fucking.
Here.
Sideways. It's another footwell. Oh. Dude, just dig me out. Oh, dude.
You alright?
Fucking hurts. Fuck. Oh.
Here.
Oh.
You alright?
Dude, take my helmet off.
Was it buttoned?
No. Dude, dig that side of the sled out. Dude, no, my leg is twisted really bad. It's in the footwell of that side.
I don't know what to do.
Just dig the sled out and you'll have to like lift it.
Can I try and rock it up?
No. Oh yeah, yeah, you gotta twist it that way. You gotta roll it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you dig that shit out, dude. Oh my god. Did it look sweet?
Yeah, that's a good video.
Dude, ow.
Jeez, there's so much fucking snow. Can I dig out the bottom of you, or?
Yeah, no, you gotta dig around my foot so I can get it out. Just dig my foot out, dude. Just dig right here on that side of the snowmobile.
Okay. I got your foot, buddy.
You gotta dig all the way around it, dude. Is it like in the footwell?
Yeah.
You gotta get it out of there.
don't move, alright?
Think you'll be able to get it out?
It's just...
Don't move it till you tell me you're gonna move it, because if I don't twist anymore or anything, something might happen.
Okay, well, I might be able to pop it out.
Just go real slow, alright? Or maybe, you can't hand me the shovel.
I don't have a shovel. You want me to get it? Oh. I can grab it. It's right next to me.
Oh, you want to dig?
Yeah, probably a good idea. Here.
My knee out.
Yeah, so you can roll with it. It's a good idea.
The problem is it's like twisted.
I know, I can see it. It's fucking twisted. Let me dig it over. Do you want to?
It just fucking got caught in there and it just fucking rolled.
It's a fucking running bar, dude. You know, like the screws are holding the top of the... Here, just wait. Don't even...
Well, just give like this whole area right here, so I think it's twisted up this way, right?
Your foot's like this.
Like in it?
Yeah. Upside down. Yeah.
Think it's busted?
I don't know, we'll see.
Doesn't feel busted.
Does it?
Hopefully it's not busted.
I hope not either. Okay. Now.
I mean, you know what it looks like over there, so whatever you think I should do.
I feel like...
It's just like this?
Yeah, but backwards. Like this. Your foot, your toe is toward in the running gloves. Well, like this. This is how it is.
Okay.
Like that. So I feel like if we could slide you in to get it out, I don't want to twist your... Because I'm going to have to twist your foot to get it out of the running boards.
I think you should dig the backside of my leg out. Because my leg's going to have to come back this way, right?
So you have to come in. Well...
I mean, it's in the running board like this, you just got to come out.
But I don't want to twist it any further that way.
No.
But I can't get your boot off, I don't think.
Just clean out as much snow, dude. Like on the back side of me up there or something.
Behind you here?
Oh,
Well, I don't know, man. I mean...
Is it in here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's where it is. It's... Your toes are in like this. Twist it,
and it's like,
twist it out to pop it out.
You can't just pull it this way?
I can try, I just don't want to hurt you.
That's what I think you should do.
Okay. Tell me if it starts to hurt, alright? I have to clear some more snow away before we hug
Yeah,
that.
dude, clear as much as you can out. That's just going to help.
think I'm gonna have to use a shovel to try and pry it out. So.
Yeah, just go slow and I'll just yell.
Didn't even get on.
Just go slow, dude.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I just might need to pop back in.
Yeah, I think so too. I think we're alright, dude. It's straight now, so you're alright. Alright, now I gotta get you out. How you feeling? You feel alright?
Yeah, no, I'm fine, dude.
Okay. Is it under the track? Is it in the track or no?
I mean, it's underneath.
It's underneath the track. Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's snow goes on top,
I didn't know, man. But this thing, at this angle, dude, it looks like it's underneath. I mean, in.
Where's my glove at?
I don't know. Here, I'll go get mine right here.
Yeah, I can just feel there. There's no pressure on there.
Alright.
Just relax.
That was some big fucking trunks, dude. Here, put them on. Sorry. Those are your old ones, asshole.
Oh, yeah, they are.
Yeah. Do you want me to get the other ones you have? Your backpack's right behind you. I do. Yeah. I'm glad you stayed on top, dude. Yeah, that's a big one. I mean...
Dude, if my foot once got caught, though, I don't think... I don't know.
Here. Alright, I'm gonna start digging from this side, alright?
Yeah.
Or, because I can't, I mean...
I think just dig.
Do you want me to take the snow off from underneath your knee?
Yeah. Good, that's way up The only thing I'm worried about is my foot's kind of dingly. I can move it, but... It might just be all the pressure.
I'm gonna go to the other side and dig it down so we can put your leg flat, right?
Yeah, we gotta like, I'll have to sweep it forward. It's just not Cooke City, man.
It's not big sky, buddy.
You probably came with like the worst person to go with 2 people.
Yeah. Asshole.
I'm not gonna do anything the rest of the day.
Did you know you were sliding?
With snow? No. Well, I mean, I knew there was some, but I didn't think it was that big.
Yeah.
I was more worried about my foot. I tried to get it out, but it just fucking stuck in there.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't even know what really happened. What was I side hilling and then it?
I don't even remember, dude. Well, now you can say you survived an avalanche.
I almost broke my leg. Dude, I've never broken a bone.
Yeah.
And this is probably the closest. Honestly.
Hey, we don't know if it's not broken yet, right?
I didn't feel nothing, dude. I think it's alright.
If it's not broken, I'll be fucking amazed.
Why, does it look fucked up over there?
Well, not now, but I mean the way it did, I mean, it just had to have all your joints in the right fucking spot to not break it, I swear to God. Can you feel me moving your leg?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it hurt?
No.
Okay.
I think you might be alright over there.
I think.
Well, we gotta get my knee.
I know, I'm just cleaning up path to your toe, right? I'm still recording, so you know.
Me too.
Okay.
Well, obviously I couldn't turn it off.
That's some big fucking chunks of snow, buddy.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Hey, I look like a hero right now.
You are my hero.
Yeah, 'cause if I wasn't here, you'd be fucking dead.
I don't think I'd be out here if I wasn't with somebody.
Yeah.
Maybe we just stick my video. Garage here.
Okay. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my, you was.
I think the circulation just got cut off his little finger.
Careful now.
Oh, look at that. Good camera.
Where is it?
Good camera. Is it on my backpack?
No.
Oh no. Dude, you got your camera on?
It's right behind you.
Look at that leg! Yeah!